Retinoids is basically vitamin A, and for retinoids we have different variation of retinoids, and in this video I'm going to be concentrating on two types, which is retinol and tretinoids. And this is because these are the two variations that I specifically use on my skin. And welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dikan, aka Dikoko, and I'm also called Queen of DIYs in case you were wondering. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up my darling? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have all of you here today. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. I'm always trying to keep the numbers up, and I always want you guys to stay here with us and join the family because we're doing good things here for our skin and overall health. Also make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you're notified every single time that I post a video. I made a video where I spoke about how I transformed my skin with some ingredients and some tips from textured and acne scarred skin to a more smoother and radiant skin. And in that video I promised I was going to talk to you guys about chemical exfoliants. So in today's video we are going to be discussing retinoids, which are a form of chemical exfoliants for our skin. And I specifically choose retinoids today because those were the vital and chemical exfoliants that actually transformed my skin, or the one that I introduced into my skincare regimen that really helped my skin. And like I said, retinoids is an ingredient for chemically exfoliating your skin and improving the texture and overall look of your skin. And retinoids is basically vitamin A, and for retinoids we have different variation of retinoids, and in this video I'm going to be concentrating on two types, which is retinol and tretinoids. And this is because these are the two variations that I specifically use on my skin. So I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of how this works and how to use this on your skin for results, and also mistakes not to make while using retinol or tretinoin on your skin. I did also make a video on how to mix your face cream, and in that video I showed you guys how to mix tretinoin into your regular face cream to use. But in this video I'm going to give you like an in-depth so that you would not need to mix it on your cream, because in that video I was trying to keep it mild for you guys because I realized there was like a rave about tretinoin at the time. So I wanted to give you guys a safe way on how to use it without really explaining too much in that video. But in this video I'm going to give you a way to use it in general, and also explaining everything that you need to know. But of course I will try to keep this video short and informative and educating. So yeah, before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed, and definitely give this video a thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like my content. And if you also like subsequent content like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, any questions, or anything you would like to discuss with me, then definitely drop it in the comment section and let us go. So when it comes to retinol and tretinoin, which one should you go for? Now, retinol is a form of retinoid that is naturally derived. So retinol is a more naturally derived variation of retinoid, if you understand what I mean. And tretinoin is a synthetically derived variant of retinoids, but all of these are definitely still vitamin A for your skin. So now what's the difference between retinol and tretinoin? Like I said, one is more naturally derived and the other one is more synthetically derived. But when it comes to retinol, the naturally derived one, it is more mild for your skin, but it is still active. But then tretinoin is more intense for your skin. So which one should you go for? If you're just starting out, I would always advise that you start with retinol and then you build your skin up to the point that it can take tretinoin if need be. And also You should use retinol if you're just trying to improve the texture of your skin and overall look of your skin, but use tretinoin if you're trying to fight acne scars, acne on the skin, as well as fine line and wrinkles on your skin, because that one is a lot more intense. But then how should you go about using retinol or tretinoin? So how you should use retinol or tretinoin on your skin is by starting small. Now, you would need to understand that this ingredient, though very useful for the skin, is an ingredient that is really tricky to use. Using it in a way that is too much for your skin when you're just starting out is going to irritate your skin. If you have sensitive skin like I do, you will not get away with using tretinoin or retinol too much when you're just starting out, right? It's going to irritate your skin, it's going to be counterproductive. What you're running away from is what it is going to do for your skin. But this is an ingredient that is actually good for your skin. So this is why you would have to be knowledgeable about your ingredients and how to go about it, because something that actually works so well as retinol or tretinoin can now be damaging to your skin if you don't know what you're doing. So it is generally advisable to start small with things like this. For me, I started out using retinol, and the retinol product I started using was the one from The Ordinary, and I started off with that one, and then I noticed that the improvement in my skin, and that was when I got into using tretinoin. With retinol, you can get retinols over like the counter. You don't need a prescription for retinol. You can get them in products like the one I used in The Ordinary. You can definitely get it anywhere and in other brands and products. But when it comes to tretinoin, you will specifically need a prescription for this, especially in some countries. But some countries you can get away with getting it over the counter as well. For me, I did not need a prescription, I just got it at the pharmacy. But in some countries, they really regulate how you use tretinoin on your skin because they know how active it is. Like I said, you will need to start small with these ingredients. Like I started off with retinol, and then I built my skin up to actually taking tretinoin. And with retinol, I was using it once a week, and then I increased it to 2 times, and then I increased it to 3 times a week. And I would mostly use retinol at night as well as tretinoin, which is also important to note. Tretinoin or retinol, anyone, it is important that you use it at night. That way you give your skin time to repair itself and actually rest. You give your skin the hours to do the job while your skin is resting. All right, so specifically use it at night and build your skin up to it. When you are starting out, make sure to use it once a week. And for me, I started off choosing a particular day with retinol, and then I built my skin up to it. And then I am currently using tretinoin only once a week. For me, I specifically chose Thursday night to use tretinoin on my skin as at currently. That is so that I can give my brain a schedule to work with. So I have known that every Thursday evening for my skincare routine, or Thursday night for my skincare routine, I do include tretinoin in my skincare regimen. So you might want to put that in mind when you're starting out with tretinoin or retinol, and definitely build your skin up to it because you do not want to irritate your skin. It might seem like I'm repeating myself a lot. It's because I just really want you guys to get how important it is, so that you do not end up damaging your skin when you were trying to do something good for your skin. So for the 3 points I have mentioned so far is start small, choose a day a week that you can start using it, and then when you build your skin up to it, then you can switch it to specific days of the week, and then use at night, which is my 3rd point in this video. Now my 4th point with using retinol or tretinoin on your skin is also including other hydrating products on your skin. Now that was the mistake that I made at first. I was just putting it on my skin, and since it is an exfoliating ingredient, it can get to dry out your skin a lot, and then it might still irritate your skin. So I started including things like hydration in my skin, like hyaluronic acid, and later I started including peptides and also ceramides on my skin, which also helped with hydrating my skin while my skin was chemically exfoliating itself with these other ingredients. In the video where I spoke on serums, I'm going to link it on the screen, I did tell you in that video that you should include using your exfoliating serums at night with hydrating serums as well. So when you're using products that exfoliate your skin, you want to double up on hydration to keep your skin protected and nurtured while exfoliating your skin. That's a good key point to keep. No matter the skin type that you have, that's definitely a good point to keep in mind when using retinol or tretinoin. So don't just rely on maybe hydration from hyaluronic acid and then your retinol. You should also include a moisturizing face cream in that regimen as well to also keep your skin moisturized, hydrated and exfoliated, if you get what I mean. So yeah, this is definitely a way to use retinol or tretinoid on your skin so you don't irritate your skin or dry out your skin. So that brings us to 4 points, which is start small, choose a specific day of the week to use at night, and also include hydrating and moisturizing products while using tretinoin and retinol on your skin. So the last point I wanted to share in this video is protecting your skin in the daytime. So apart from the fact that you are using this product or this ingredient at night, definitely make sure that during the day your skin is still protected. Now when you've exfoliated your skin at night, realize that your skin is now open during the day. So what you want to do is make sure that you double up on protecting your skin with sunscreen, with SPF. And I would always advise that when you're using an exfoliant like this, you want to go high on SPF, nothing below SPF 30, and make sure you reapply your SPF every 2 hours because the effect of SPF always fades after a couple hours. So definitely make sure that your skin is protected during the day, because now your pores are open, your skin is bare, right? Because you're exfoliating, the dead skin cells are falling off. So now you want to make sure that your skin is highly protected. So yeah, that's the last point that I wanted to mention for this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel by now, I wonder what you're doing. Can't you see what I'm dishing out, and can't you see what we're doing for ourselves and our skin here on this channel? Please make sure that you subscribe. I want to have you guys with me, and thank you for the support so far. I really do appreciate all that you guys do for me on this channel, liking my videos, sharing it with your friends and family, and just getting my channel a lot more popular than it would normally. Thank you so much. This channel definitely exists because you guys are here and watching my content, and I'm always pumped to film more content for you guys. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate you guys. Please, if you have any question as we get to this topic or any other thing you might want to ask, please drop it in the comment section. If you do have any advice for us, or if there's something you think I missed out on mentioning in this video, please drop it in the comment section, because people also go through comments to learn more about topics that I share on this channel, and I also learn from you guys and also get new video ideas from you guys. Or if you just want me to know that you were here, maybe drop some love hearts for me in the comment section. I'm definitely going to respond to you. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and as usual, I wish you guys a perfect, beautiful and luscious skin, and I will see you guys in my next video.